Welcome to Red Tech channel, a new way to learn. So today in CT Scan, I am discussing the second generation CT. Please watch the previous video before watching this. The link is given in the description. So let's begin. Second generation. Second generation CT, also known as translate rotate narrow fan beam. It was translate rotate type and having 30 detector in which, and this 30 detector having a fan angle which make a fan angle of 10 degree and which help in collecting data in large number, or you can say better than first generation CT. In this second generation, the data per projection or number is increases, and because of using 30 detector and narrow fan beam which is about 10 degree, the angle making by the narrow fan beam is about 10 degree, and translate rotate narrow fan beam also called. Now if we do compare with this generation to first generation CT, then in first generation at one time two slices are taken, but in this second generation it is multi slices taken at a single time. This mainly difference between first generation and second generation. Now talk about advantage. Advantage is uh, by using more detector, the scan time reduces to 10 seconds and gantry rotate at 30 degree each only 6 times rather than full complete 180 degree movement. Means gantry rotate 30 degree in 6 interval and cover the 180 degree portion, or you can say as compared to in the first generation the gantry movement is 180 degree and so as to complete one rotation, but in this case gantry only move 30 degree but taking 6 rounds to complete 180 degree movement. This is basically the difference between first generation and second generation. Because of using high number of detector, this system were added by, or you can say modification in the first generation is this, that can rotate only 30 degree because of having fan beam also. Now look to disadvantage. In this same disadvantage, sodium iodide afterglow and does not give huge dynamic range in X-ray and intensity, and as number of detector increases the scatter radiation also increases, and as usual, complex mechanical motion of translate and rotate are still exist in the second generation as in the first generation. This is also complex, but the difference is translate, rotate, narrow fan beam and increase same. Now look to the diagram. Here you can see above the X-ray tube and below the detectors, and here you can see the narrow fan beam. Arrow showing in the diagram the fan beam approx 10 degree angle, making an angle of 10 degree, and the whole gantry is moving around 30 degree in 6 round. Means in one round takes 30 degree and in one by one taking 6 round to complete 180 degree of the patient. So and taken one at a single time, multi slice could be taken by this generation, and major disadvantage was increase in scatter radiation. So that's all about second generation CT. Do subscribe if you like, and thanks for watching.